Yes.
I am Dr. M.M.V. Prasad Sharma, qualified public health specialist in community medicine and family medicine. I graduated and postgraduated from Kurnool Medical College and working as a professor and HOD of community medicine, having vast experience of 30 years in the field of public health and primary health care. The organization Seva Bharati made me in charge of this center, COVID Care Center, generally called as Isolation Center. By designation, I am director of this center, voluntarily working for it. Coming to the establishment of it, the patient care building, you call it as patient care unit. In that 300 beds are provided. In that nearly more than 200 cases have been occupied and nearly more than 150 cases were discharged. According to the Government of India, COVID Care Center, that is within the bracket we are supposed to call as Isolation Center. It is meant for providing services to mild and moderate cases where there is no need of oxygen therapy. Only a supportive care will be given. So here we provide a treatment medicines according to the standard regime provided by the Government of India, that is ivermectin and doxycycline, and other supportive drugs. If any persons having more than 94 is equal to 94 and more than 94 saturation, with COVID-19 test positive, mainly RT-PCR and RAT, both tests, if anybody calls and asks for the registration, we provide the registration and they can come here. Like that, many people came here and they will be admitted and providing all the facilities and a medical kit. Those who are having chronic problems of COPD, their oxygen concentrations are a little bit relaxed according to the guidelines given by the government. Coming to those who are having comorbidity, that means hypertension, diabetes, cardiac problems and lung problems. The other disorders, they listed nearly 12 diseases are there, including obesity. Those persons generally will not be admitted, but after assessing their condition, if treated physician thinks that there won't be any problem and there is no need of much emergency, those cases also will be admitted. So like that, here the people admitted will be provided services up to 14th day from the onset of first symptoms, if that is not available, from the test positive date. So 14 days we are going to give all the services free of cost. And here around the clock doctors are available, and morning shift at 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, one doctor, and night 7 o'clock to early morning 8 o'clock another doctor will be there. And one around the clock doctor is available who takes admission, all these things whenever is needed, and these two doctors are providing services in the wards. And the day schedule of the patients starts at 6 o'clock, and we will make them to arise, and after their natural cause they will be given milk and refreshers, we call it, and then afterwards they will be asked to assemble in the ground attached to the center, where we give some exercises. Mainly the objective of it, not only exercises, that is a secondary part, but to expose them to the sunlight, where that period is having high ultraviolet rays, and that is going to give us some effect on the this patients, and that's why early morning. And another thing, they will have a feeling of they are normal and just came for some resort like that. They are supposed to have a feeling, psychological feeling also. So making them to exercise and some playing, all these things will be there, and they will be sent back and providing the breakfast, and then after 2 hours or 2.5 hours we will provide some fruits, mainly dry fruits, and then lunch after another 2 hours, and after 2 hours of the rest, all these things afternoon, we provide some recreation, all these things. Once again, evening refreshments and night dinner, and every time except in afternoon 1 to 2 hours they will be asked to take some rest. Otherwise they supposed to feel always kept busy, and where every doctor and nurses are going to watch, is there any sickness in them. Frankly saying, those who are having fever with this symptomatic treatment, they will feel positive health, and they're away from the illness, and psychologically they will be sound, and fear complex, phobia complex will be removed, and they're supposed to wash their own clothes, all these things. Unless someone is old people, handicapped, and some persons is still having some ill feeling, those persons will be helped by the ward boys, and 18 nurses also around the clock, they are going to give all the support. So this is the entire day aspect of the patients, and doctors also will be there. So my role is completely the SOP, that is standard operation procedures, have been prepared, and the day-to-day problems will be solved, and if any emergency and any problem of cases which supposed to be dealt in a different way, those cases will be brought to me, and those will be addressed. Till now, there is no, till now, every case went out is a successful story. Only few cases have been sent on for oxygen therapy, because the oxygen levels fallen less than 94, not less than 90, that is at around 93, 92. We have referred those cases. They are also cured, and they are also discharged. So this is a success story of this center. Till now, there is no any bad news, and bad news, any problem in any corner. Everyone is getting cured and going away, and without single rupee, not single pie has not been spent by the patient. Every aspect is addressed monetarily, human resources, everything is been provided by the Seva Bharati, and philanthropists given the funds for maintaining this isolation center. So this is the summary of entire thing I want to tell. Thank you, one and all.